Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the next video in this series of videos where we're talking about the data structures in R, and today we are going to be talking about a specialized data structure which is known as TS. It is a regular time series object. And now let's talk a bit about what is TS class. The TS class in R is specifically designed to handle regular time series data. A TS object is essentially a vector of metrics that is indexed by time, making it easier to perform operations such as forecasting, decomposition, and time-based analysis. Uh, a TS object is created with the help of a TS function. Uh, and then this function has several arguments that allows you to take care of several things that include the data values, which can be in the numeric or integer vector containing time series data. You have to specify the start time and end time and the frequency. And if you can see over here, this is our data, which is specifying the monthly data points for several months. And then within the TS function, we have the data coming from the vector, which I just showed you. And then the start is from the second month of 2020, and the frequency is 12. So if I run this and then I have to run the whole of it, and if I print it, then if you can see below, our time series object is printed. Uh, if I can, what I can do is that I can, so currently it is starting from the second month of 2020. I can change the starting point to perhaps as an example, as the first month. And if you can see, it is perfectly starting from the first month of 2020 and ending with the December of 2021. This is short introduction to the TS object. This will be very relevant to understand when you are taking care of time series data. I will see you in the next video.